Here we have a York heat pump running on heating mode. There's two fans down there. I feel like one of the fan blades, specifically that one, has been replaced. Because that blade seems to be plastic, well that one seems to be metal. There's the ducting up there. Here's the spec label for this unit. This is one of the other old units that are still operating around my campus. A lot noisier than the Daikin I showed a while back, but this unit is also still operating very well. This area right here is very cold now because of the discharge coming from the fans.